Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Inez here, and I just wanted to talk to you about something today, but I'm in Hamburg, as you can see, sunny, beautiful weather, and I have my German assistant back there, and if he barks, that's okay. He'll just be helping me along. Anyway, so what I want to talk about to you today is because I've been getting questions quite a long time now about this, and it's such a small thing, but it can be very big in the process. So it's when you create the sensation in the hand. Now, notice I say sensation because we changed it from numbness quite a long time ago. There was quite a conflict with a few people, not all people, but a few people who didn't like numbness and didn't want to create it because they didn't like the thought of it being numb. So what we do is we just say we're going to ask your mind to give you a sensation in the hand. It's just a sensation. That's the first thing. If you've missed that change, it's quite a good one. Now, the other thing about it is there's a few people that are testing and pinching here. This is not about creating numbness in the hands so you can pinch them. This is about showing them that they have power in their mind and that they are in hypnosis. You have not given any suggestion about discomfort or anything in this process. And in somnambulism, to get that kind of effect, you need to give suggestion. This is not what it's about. The only time you ever pinch anyone in this process is if they are in deep Esdale. So please don't do that. Anyway, the whole idea of it is you give them a sensation. You can use that sensation then to tell them that they're in peace level and confirm that they've gone back down. So it's got many usages. But the most important part is they know something's happening and their mind can create a sensation in them, and they couldn't probably do that definitely in the conscious mind unless they had been trained previously. So again, it's just to show them that they're in hypnosis, and also so you can use that sensation to show them they're at the peace level later when you put in the trigger words. Tells you that they're in somnambulism when they do it easily and fast in a nice deep state, and from there you're just going to go deeper. Anyway, I think that sums it up pretty good, so I'm just going to end this one here, and if there's any more questions about that, you can just post them here on the page.